Hey guys, we are back. How's everybody doing out there this evening, this afternoon, this morning, depending on wherever you are in the world, right? Welcome back, guys. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out this project, 8-Bit Farm, the link is in the description. Go check it out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on here. All right, we're back. I'm going to attempt to do my first 8-Bit Farm withdrawal with you guys. So keep our fingers crossed. All right, so 8-Bit Farm is a new crypto project I got started in not long ago. I mean, they haven't been out that long themselves. This is a new project on the market where they actually do farming, crypto farming, as you can see on the screen here. Welcome, farmer. Your deposit crypto, we farm it and you cash out. Now, before we get into it, I want to first say I'm not a financial advisor, not here to advise you guys. All right, do your own research before parking your crypto in any platform. All right, make sure you're using risk capital. All right, but I like to show you guys projects that I've discovered and what I'm doing and let you know if it's working or if it's not working. All right, so this is one I took a gamble on. Number one, it is a something different, all right, that I haven't done before in these dApps with yield farming. And then what I did like is I see the owners, the three owners, are crypto investors that they've been in the game for a long time. They got together, put this together, and hey, I decided to go ahead and take a shot at it. And they're using the currency USDT on the Binance chain. Okay, that's the only way you can get in, through the Binance chain, USDT. So anyway, we decided to go for it. So let's read over this a little bit. Unlike typical ROI dApps, which use Ponzonomics to satisfy investor payments, 8-Bit Farm uses a series of unique crypto farming strategies to create real external revenue. The core team hand selects a portfolio of strategic concentrated liquidity pools, then farms them to generate fees, offering a dynamic approach to yield generation. In simple terms, you add investment capital to our 8-bit liquidity pool, we deploy it across our strategic farming positions, and you receive your share of the profits in real time. Then at the end of the term, you selected your initial investment capital is returned to you. Okay, so that's the other thing. I was like, oh, you get your capital back at the end. So over here, let's take a look here. Oh, they've closed this one out now too. All right. This pool has been closed to new deposits due to limited use. Active stakes will still earn daily. So limited use. So people are selecting this 250 day plan here. Oh, we got a promo rate. That's what we got going on. I didn't even see that. This is the promo rate, guys. So, hey, perfect timing. Perfect timing. This is when I got in, when they had a promo rate, because the regular rate is 0.33% per day for the 250-day provision. So they've got a promo rate here. I'm going to have to look in the Telegram here and see when this ends. Perfect timing, though. So if you want to get started, they've got a promo, 0.4% daily. And you're going to need to put use USDT. Okay, that is awesome. Today I'm withdrawing. So anyway, let me pull that up though. Let's see here. Hang on. By the way, make sure you join the Telegram group of any of these crypto projects that offer it, so that you can stay abreast of what's happening, right? So they got this today. Evening, guys and girls. Quick message. Okay, this is 4 stakes that were created on the 50-day plan will come to the end of their staking period. These will be returned to the staking wallet they came from and your stake will show on the UI as the image attached. That can be done at image attached. This can be done at any time of the day, and one of the team has to take the money out of the farm and send it over to the contract wallet so it can be returned. Okay, I did not check it this morning. This is what the deal is. They hit their milestone of 1 million. Shout out to 8-Bit. Awesome. That is awesome. Woo! So that promo is why they implemented that. Great deal. Fantastic. 1 million. All right. In liquidity. Now, so I was looking to see when this thing ends. This was today, so I'm not sure. But I would say, guys, jump in. All right. So anyway, that's what I wanted to. I thought I could find that, but I couldn't. So anyway, take advantage of this 0.4% per day. So these two are closed. So it looks like they only have the 250 days. All right, at 0.4% per day. And this is a 7-day-a-week platform. You can withdraw anytime as long as you have 25 in your balance. Okay, your wallet address balance. So all you would do if you want to get started, though, is you just come here. Let's say you want to get started. You want it 1,000 USDT. Click Hire Farmer. Then right here, guys, you're going to put the referral wallet address. Okay, that's how they do it here. So my info is in the description. If you want to get started with me, just go in the description, copy that wallet address, and paste it in here. And it shows you here, this is the amount that you're investing. I just put 1,000 in there as an example so you can see how it works. If you do 1,000, you're going to earn $4 a day. All right, at that 0.4% per day for 250 days. And estimated total after the 250-day return, you're going to get 2,000, right? You're going to get your 1,000 back, but you're going to net that 1,000. So in 250 days, you're going to earn 1,000. That's pretty darn good. And then you want to make sure you click here. I have read and understand the risk, because it is a risk, right? So you have to accept the terms here, and boom, you just purchase yourself a liquidity pool, just like that, guys. Okay, so that's how that would work. And that's it. So let's do this. Let's go here, because I'm going to do it from here. Let's see if I can make this withdrawal right quick with you guys. How about that? This is our first one. So let's see. Let's check it out. All right, let's go here. All right. Boom. Okay. You see the deposits they have here? 1 million. They definitely hit it, didn't they? They definitely hit it. All right. So let's see if we can do our withdrawal. Let's go to my farm so you guys can see what I have. All right, so let this refresh real quick. All right, you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 stakes in here at the 250-day deal. 159 USDT is in here. And I happened to come in when they had the promos going at 0.4%. And you see here, both of these buttons are green now. They used to be gray. So if you look right here, 25 is the minimum to withdraw. So it's telling me now it's green that I can cash out. See, withdrawal available. And then I also could have compounded. Once it reached $20, they allow you to compound. And when you compound, you start a new stake, by the way. Okay? So what I want to do, because they already have your wallet address, and these are the 250-day stakes that I selected. If you look here to the left, it says 250, 250. All right, that's how that goes. And then you know what else they have? It's pretty cool. Real quick before I place my withdrawal, right here, if you want to gift someone, you could give someone. See at the bottom it says feeling generous. Give someone a stake of their own. Simply create a new stake, enter the stake number, enter the recipient's wallet address, and press gift stake. Right, so all you would do is you would make the deposit here. All right, and then they're saying select which one, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which stake are you going to give them? Type that number there, put their wallet address here, and click gift stake, and boom, you just sent them a stake. Okay, is that cool or what? All right, so now that we have the 25 available, let's make our first withdrawal. Let's see what happens. So I'm just going to click cash out. Allow. It goes over here, clicks here, boom, boom, bam, confirm. Oh, we might need to get some Binance in there. Hang on a second. That's what I think we got to do. Hold on. All right, hold on. All right, that's the first time I've done that with this platform. So no, that wasn't the issue. So let's go back. Let me show you guys. It's in there now. I don't know why I was given that weird error. We're good. Let me show you. So we go back, boom, 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 and then we come over here. We'll show you this because I set this up just for this account. There it is, guys. Boom. Okay, so it hit. It hit. Let me show you. If we go here, see, there you have it. The 25 is in there. All right, so shout out to 8-Bit. Let's go. Awesome. And you can see we've zeroed it out now, right? So everything is zeroed out. So it actually did work. That's our first withdrawal for 8-Bit Farm, guys. All right, there you have it. Boom. So the withdrawals work, and that was instant. Okay, that was instant in there. So not sure why that error happened, but it went instant. There you go. All right, so if you want to check this out, again, I don't know how long this 0.4% daily is going. Shout out to them for hitting the 1 million milestone mark. You may want to jump on this right away. Again, all you need is USDT on the Binance chain. All right, guys. So go check out 8-Bit Farm. All right. See you guys on the next video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.